Welcome to Better Health channel. Hey everyone, today we're gonna dive into the wonderful world of pumpkin seeds, also known as pepitas. These little seeds are hiding a lot of goodness inside, and they might be even more helpful than you think. So, you know how after you carve a pumpkin, you get all those seeds inside? You can take the shells off yourself, or you can buy them already shelled at the store. Either way, these little green, flat, oval seeds are a nutritional powerhouse. They may be small, but pumpkin seeds are jam-packed with good stuff. We're talking healthy fats, magnesium, and zinc. And because of that, they've been linked to a whole bunch of health benefits, like a healthier heart, better prostate health, and even some protection against certain cancers. On top of that, they're really easy to add to your diet. So, let's dig into the top 5 reasons to love pumpkin seeds. Number 1. Nutrient and antioxidant superstars. Just an ounce of shelled pumpkin seeds has about 151 calories, mostly from fat and protein. But that's not all. You are also getting 1.7 grams of fiber, 5 grams of carbs, 7 grams of protein, and a whopping 13 grams of omega fatty acids. Plus, they're loaded with micronutrients like vitamin K, phosphorus, manganese, magnesium, iron, zinc, and copper. And let's not forget the antioxidants. Pumpkin seeds are full of them, which can help reduce inflammation and protect your cells from damage. That's why eating foods rich in antioxidants may help fight off many diseases. Reason number 2, boosts for your prostate and bladder. Pumpkin seeds might be helpful for guys dealing with an enlarged prostate, a condition called benign prostatic hyperplasia or BPH for short. Studies have shown that pumpkin seeds can ease symptoms of BPH and improve urination. There's also some research suggesting that pumpkin seeds or their extracts can help with an overactive bladder. In another study, people with overactive bladder who took 10 grams of pumpkin seed extract daily saw improvements in their urinary function. And here's another interesting fact, pumpkin seeds are a good source of zinc. Low zinc levels are linked to reduced sperm quality and infertility in men. Some studies suggest that pumpkin seeds, with all their zinc, might help protect sperm from damage. Plus, they have antioxidants and other nutrients that can contribute to healthy testosterone levels and overall health. All this together might be beneficial for fertility and reproduction, especially in men. Number 3. Magnesium powerhouse. Magnesium is a super important mineral that's involved in over 600 chemical reactions in our bodies. Enough magnesium is key for controlling blood pressure, lowering the risk of heart disease, keeping bones strong, and regulating blood sugar levels. The thing is, a lot of people don't get enough magnesium. But guess what? Pumpkin seeds are one of the best natural sources around. Studies on animals have shown that pumpkin seed oil might help reduce high blood pressure and cholesterol, both of which are major risk factors for heart disease. There was even a study on women that showed pumpkin seed oil supplements lowered blood pressure and increased good cholesterol levels. That's pretty amazing, and it could mean fewer medications and side effects for some people. Number 4. Blood sugar control buddy. Studies on animals suggest that regularly eating moderate amounts of pumpkin seeds can help keep blood sugar levels in check. This is especially important for people with diabetes who struggle to manage their blood sugar. Remember how we talked about magnesium and how pumpkin seeds can help lower cholesterol? Those benefits, along with the blood sugar control properties, can make a big difference in the quality of life for older diabetics. And even for healthy people, regularly eating pumpkin seeds might help lower the risk of developing type 2 diabetes later in life. Researchers followed over 120,000 people and found that diets rich in magnesium were linked to a significantly lower risk of type 2 diabetes. Number 5. Fiber friend. Pumpkin seeds are a great source of dietary fiber. Just an ounce of shelled seeds packs 1.1 grams of fiber. Fiber is important for good digestion, and it can help with constipation and diarrhea. Plus, Diets high in fiber have been linked to a lower risk of heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and obesity.